Okay, now that we're ready to install this splice shunt, what do we need to do, John, to make sure the conductor's ready to accept the product?
Well, we need to get all the oxide off of that conductor.
Okay.
A good substantial brush, at least for the distance that's required to cover up with where that would be,
Okay.
the rods would be.
All the way down?
And then on both sides.
Okay, great.
Immediately after that, we get some of this inhibitor,
Right.
put it on your brush, brush it again, make sure you have enough inhibitor.
So what does the inhibitor do for us exactly?
It prevents the oxide, it seals it, it prevents the oxide from reoccurring.
Okay, great, great. So it's very important.
It's more important than, yes, it's very important.